I'm going to show you how to download the All the Mods 10 mod pack for Minecraft. In this tutorial, I'll be using what I consider the easiest and best method, a mod pack launcher. To get started, open a new tab in your web browser. Then go to Google and search for CurseForge, exactly like that. Usually, the official CurseForge website will be the first result, but make sure the address says curseforge.com so you know you're on the real site. From here, we're going to download the CurseForge launcher, which lets us install the All the Mods 10 mod pack for Minecraft quickly and easily. Click the orange button that says Get CurseForge app. You'll be redirected to a new page. On this page, click Download Standalone. Once you click it, a file called CurseForge Windows Installer will start downloading to your computer. After the download finishes, click the file either from your browser's download bar or from your Downloads folder. This will start the CurseForge installation. Choose your preferred language. In my case, I'll select English and click Next. Now select the location where CurseForge will be installed on your computer. After that, check the box to accept the terms of service and privacy policy and confirm that you're over 18. Then click Next again. CurseForge will now begin installing. Once it's finished, the app will open automatically. Keep in mind, for this to work, you must already have Minecraft installed on your computer. If you don't, install Minecraft first and then come back to this tutorial. When CurseForge opens, look at the left sidebar. If Minecraft is installed, you should see the Minecraft icon there. If you don't see it, but Minecraft is installed, click the plus icon, scan your computer for games, or add Minecraft manually. After Minecraft appears in CurseForge, click on it. To find the All the Mods 10 mod pack, you can go to the Discover tab and browse manually, but the easiest way is to use the search bar at the top and type All the Mods 10. You'll see several All the Mods versions, but in this case, select All the Mods 10, which is the latest version. Once you're on the mod pack page, simply click the orange Install button. CurseForge will now download and install the mod pack automatically. To see your installed or currently downloading mod packs, click My Mod Packs. As you can see, All the Mods 10 will appear here while it's installing. When the installation is complete, hover your mouse over the mod pack and click Play. Minecraft will launch automatically. Once the Minecraft launcher opens, click Play again and the game will start with All the Mods 10 fully installed. And that's it! You're now ready to play Minecraft with the All the Mods 10 mod pack. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. It really helps a lot.